Alright guys, today we're going to go over the chassis spreading tool. I'm going to take the pickup shoes off with my new blue tweezers provided by Eric Peterson to match for the videos. So obviously, you gotta take the shoes off, something I commonly forget to do when I first started building the car, and would jack the pickup shoes up pretty badly. So you've got Scale Engineering chassis spreading tool. The best way to use this, from what I've been told and from my experience, and because every once in a while the chassis will split right here after you've opened and closed it too many times, and it's just wear and tear when the chassis gets brittle. You take it apart 10 times, 15 times, whatever, that'll happen. So you slide your tool in, but you want to move it back towards the back. Don't spread it right near these tabs. You spread it back near the back. You can then press it and bang. There it is. It's out. It's that easy. So that's how the chassis spreading tool works. And it can help hold your magnets in place as well when you're pressing it in. You still kind of have to keep a little pressure right there on those tabs, but it does work very efficiently at helping get it apart and not kill your hands. So